All right, guys, this is a similar video to the one I released yesterday. 15k is what I have earned, okay, so far from CuBig. I have not made a withdrawal of this 15k, just so you know. This is what is showing in my back office that I have earned it, but I have not made a withdrawal. I just want to let everybody know, because some people are coming to my DM after watching yesterday's video asking me if I have made a withdrawal of this earning. I have not, and I did mention it in my video yesterday. Okay, so I'm repeating videos now, but in a different way, just explaining it differently. So this 15k earn is as a result of what I have done in my back office. So let me quickly share that with you. It's easier for me to share it with you than not sharing it with you. Okay, so yeah, this is the number of ROU, okay, reward units. That's the meaning of ROU, reward unit, that I have earned. And they said one reward unit is equivalent to $9.99. So pull up your calculator, multiply $9.99 by 1,566. That will give you roughly 15k plus. Okay, so that is how I have earned that money that you are looking at now. Okay, now let's go back to the ROU. This ROU is a combination of the people that I have referred. If they are completing their tasks, I will earn some reward for them completing their tasks, plus my own tasks that I am completing. All of them added together is what is giving me 1,566 reward units. Okay, so guys, if you are already in CuBig, you should receive some ROU even though you are not referring anybody. As long as you are completing your tasks, you will receive some ROU. Multiply the number of ROU you have by $9.99. That will give you the equivalent in dollars that you will receive. Okay, the other day I did an update and I shared this screenshot with you guys. This came from CuBig official Telegram channel. They said one ROU, which is one reward unit, is equivalent to $9.99. This is what I'm saying to you guys, right? So go back to your back office and go into your finance overview and then check how many ROU you have earned, multiply it by $9.99. That will give you the total number of dollars that you would have earned for completing your tax. If you have registered and you did not complete any tax, I am sorry, I don't think you will earn any ROU, unless you are referring people that are completing their tax. Then you will earn ROU. If you are doing both, if you are completing your tax on a daily basis, and if you are also referring people and those people are completing their tax, then your ROU will be as much as my one, or even bigger than my one. Okay, so now I have not made a withdrawal of this money, just so you know, because as you can see, they've not given us the opportunity to convert these reward units to dollars that we can withdraw. Okay, so until they have converted this 1,566 to dollars and I was able to withdraw that money, and the money arrived in my wallet within 3 days, then we are just looking at figures, guys. Okay, so if that happens, I'm going to record another video and come back here and let you guys know that I have been able to withdraw my earned money in CuBig. Remember, it is free to join. Once you complete your tasks, you will earn up to $40 per month. That is the original information they gave us, but now they've changed it to reward units, and the reward units is equivalent to $9.99. So you only get that when you complete your tasks and refer people, or just don't refer anybody but just keep completing your tasks. You will receive it. No deposit is needed. zero deposit for everything I am telling you. But if you want to earn more, then you have to purchase the paid packages I have shown you already. Okay, thank you guys. I will record another video once I am able to withdraw some of these REUs that I have earned, or all of the REUs that I have earned, and I will share it with you guys. All right, so thank you. Don't forget to share this video with your team members so that they will know that the method of payment now, or the way they are going to be rewarding us in CuBig, has changed. It is now ROU, reward units, according to the task that you have completed. Thank you. God bless.